Looking for the perfect party snack that's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and loaded with gooey cheese? Hello friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. And today I am sharing a crowd-pleasing favorite, and it's chicken cheese balls. These bite-sized delights are made with shredded chicken, aromatic spices, and a surprise burst of melted cheese in every bite. Golden, crunchy, and irresistibly cheesy, they are perfect for house parties, birthday celebrations, get-together parties, festive gatherings, or even evening tea time cravings. Easy to prepare, these chicken cheese balls pair beautifully with ketchup, mayo dip, or a spicy Szechuan sauce. So let's get started and make this ultimate party snack that everyone will be asking for again and again. And here I have taken a chicken breast that has been boiled, and I had added a little bit of salt, black pepper, and crushed garlic while boiling the chicken breast, so that the seasonings and the flavor of garlic is well infused in the chicken breast. And now I'm going to shred the chicken breast in this way. Next, into this I'm going to add one medium-sized boiled potato that has been grated. Then goes some finely chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. You can also add parsley if you want. And to make our chicken cheese balls crunchy, I'm going to add some panko breadcrumbs. For binding, I'm going to add one egg white. And now we'll add some seasoning. Here goes some salt as per taste, some black pepper. Then this is garlic and herb seasoning, adding a tablespoon of it, which will greatly enhance the flavor of our chicken cheese balls. And finally goes a teaspoon of chili flakes. Now let's mix this well so that all the ingredients are well combined and they come together like a dough. And as you can see, our mixture to make chicken cheese balls is ready. We'll keep this aside for a moment. So I'm going to use goat cheese, faux cheese, which has got a blend of cheddar, Kobe, Monterey Jack, and mozzarella. And this is how the cheese looks like. And now let's start making our chicken cheese balls. For that, I'm using this 1 tablespoon measuring spoon so that we get equal sized chicken balls. And now we'll create some space or cavity in the middle of the filling to add the cheese. Now carefully we will close the opening and roll them to form balls. And in the same way we'll make the remaining chicken cheese balls also. And here are the chicken cheese balls. So with the filling I have prepared, you can make 10 to 11 medium-sized chicken cheese balls. And now time to fry them. For that I've already heated some oil here, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the chicken cheese balls one by one. And on medium flame we need to fry them until they turn crisp and deep golden brown from all the sides. And you need to keep on flipping the chicken cheese balls after every 15-20 seconds so that they are well browned from all the sides. And as you can see, the chicken cheese balls have turned golden brown, and we will fry them for another few seconds so that they are well browned from all the sides. So you can see here the cheese has started to melt from inside and the chicken cheese balls are well browned. So we'll quickly take them out and serve them hot right away. And friends, here goes our crispy, cheesy and irresistible chicken cheese balls. And I have served them with a cheesy mayo dip and a spicy Szechuan sauce. And friends, these golden chicken cheese balls are crunchy outside, cheesy inside and guaranteed to be a hit at any party. So do try them once and let me know how they turned out. You can also check out my other interesting party snacks recipe. And before ending this video, I would like to wish all my viewers a happy new year in advance. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and enjoy good food, good life.